Hi, thanks for checking out our Cx9 Azami. It's just come in. The car is in excellent condition, as you can see. Front sensors, finishing that stunning pearl white. Quite unmarked alloy wheels with plenty of tread on those tyres, tinted windows and roof racks. One of the great things about the Azami is the premium leather, the two-tone dash and full electric passenger seat. And as you can see, the trim is in excellent condition. All used about the wind. You got your blind here as well, which can come down. Plenty of space to the back, heated rear seats as well. You've got a center armrest with two USB points as well. Through the back, you get two rear seats. Coming across to the back, it's in great condition. Rear sensors as well. Electric tailgate. Rear boot tray as well. Child restraints in the third row. Quick release seatings for both seats. Push the button and there she comes. Down to the side in great condition. Full electric seat in the passenger side and the driver's side with seat memory as well. Radar cruise and much more. Heads up display. So we look forward to speaking to you soon. If you have any questions, feel free to give